The Dearborn Heights City Libraries presents 5 to 10 Crafting with Eileen and Venus. Hi, I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Venus. Crafts are for elementary children, but all ages are welcome.
Each month there will be a new craft video.
Craft kits will be available for pickup for a limited time at the John F. Kennedy Jr. branch of the Dearborn Heights City Libraries.
And, when possible, as a download from our website.
Now let's get crafting. This month's craft is Book Passport Craft.
These crafts will be available at the John F. Kennedy Jr. Library for a limited amount of time. If you don't pick up a craft kit, we will show you how you can do one at home with materials you have there. But let's get started. In the kit, you will get a passport book, and we have already decorated it with different pages that you can fill out. You will also get a book of stickers. You will need crayons to do this craft. So let's get started. First, let's show you how that book was made. If you're doing it at home, you will want to take a large piece of paper. It can be smaller than this one. I use the larger size, but you can do a smaller one. You take it and lay it long ways and fold it in half lengthwise. Get some good creases. So now it looks like this. Then we're going to open it up. We'll fold it in half this way. Make sure those creases are nice and good. Then you're going to fold it a second time to get those creases. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to take a pair of scissors. Remember that first crease when we turned it in half? You're going to follow that line up until you hit the crease here, so that creates a cut. Now that we have that, you're going to open it all the way up again. You're going to fold it in half again. Now here's the tricky part. When you get like that, you're going to push it so that that centerpiece where you cut it opens up just like that. You'll get a nice triangle. Let me show that again. You'll once you fold it in half, you're going to push both ends in, push them in. So you get that. Keep pushing all the way till they fit right there. And then you can fold it. And once you do that, lay it down. Press all those edges. And once you do that, you have your passport book.
You'll need various supplies as shown here. Take your paper, doesn't matter the size. Fold it as I'm doing now. Or as Miss Eileen demonstrated earlier. Making sure to tamp down your creases, the edges as it were. Open everything back up, fold it again, and using a pair of scissors, cut the one crease until you get to the cross crease. Then open the paper back up. Take the edges and push them in together and fold, and make sure to flatten your creases.
Now, of course, yours won't have the decorations on it, so you can write book passport on it. You can even draw a picture on it. Inside, we have our name and some favorite things. So you can write your name. Let me get a crayon. I think I'm going to use black to write my name. And I'm just going to write my first name. And let's see, animals. What is my favorite animal? I like bunny rabbits. And squirrels are fun to come up and to the door and feed. But you know what? I think my favoriteest animal is a kitten. So I'm going to write that down. Of course, the state I'm in is Michigan. Can you spell Michigan? And my favorite restaurant. I think I like Wendy's restaurant. And favorite destinations. Well, I like going to Grandma's house. I like going to the beach. I think I like the beach. Or maybe it's a state. Maybe it's Florida. But I think I'm going to put down a beach. I like doing that. So if you did this on your own, you can fill out all your favorite things here. Don't forget to put your name.
So I wrote on the cover of my book, and I cut out pictures from the various magazines that I had around the house, as you see here. Now I am going to paste these magazine pictures into my booklet. You could also draw things, color things, however you want to fill out your booklet is up to you.
All right. I'm going to draw a picture of me. I think I'm going to take this, and I got kind of a oval face, just like that. My hair is kind of blonde, so I'm going to color that, and it's kind of curly, so I'm going to give it some curly hair. Let's see, I've got green eyes, so I'm going to give me some green eyes. What color are your eyes? I'm going to put a nose on. I just put a little, it's like that. And I got a big smile on my face. How's that? I think that's pretty good. Let's turn the page. What else do we have? Oh, we can add our favorite book. So figure out what your favorite book is. And then we've got all these blank pages. We can draw pictures on those blank pages, or remember I told you, we've got stickers. If you didn't get the kit, maybe you can find stickers that you have around the house. Or maybe mom might buy you some stickers. But if you don't, you certainly can draw pictures in here. So, but I am going to put a sticker. Let's see what kind of sticker I have. I'm going to put this one. That is the United States passport sticker. And I'm going to put it right there. And I think I might draw a little sandy beach. And of course, I need water. We're at the ocean. And there's my water. There's the waves coming in. And then I'm going to color it real lightly so that I can see the waves. Yeah, let's go. And I think the sky's going to be kind of pink on the horizon. So I'm going to use red really light and then blue up here. And you know what? I think I'm going to put a seagull flying in. Just a little M. And I might even draw a palm tree. And of course, we need a trunk for that to hold it up. And it's sitting there on the beach. And I've got my passport, and that maybe it's somewhere in Florida, or maybe it's on the California side. Who knows? But I've got a nice little beach. And we've got a couple more pages. You can put stickers or fill it out any way you want. And of course, don't forget, we're at the Dearborn Heights City Library. Don't forget to visit your library too. I hope you have fun with this one. Let's put our crayons down. And don't forget to tune in next month for another craft idea.
Enjoyed what you saw here? Subscribe to the Dearborn Heights Library channel on YouTube and be notified when there's a new episode.
Did you know that with your Dearborn Heights library card, you can borrow ebooks, e-audiobooks, stream thousands of hours of music, and even movies? You can download apps for your devices or visit our website on a computer.
Last blurb, we promise. Stay connected with us at dhcl.mishlibrary.org and on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Thanks for tuning in.